Meaning of finisher.
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 Finisher. Finisher can have different meanings depending on the context. In the context of printing, a finisher is a machine that performs post-printing operations such as cutting, folding, and binding to produce a final product. In sports, a finisher is a person who successfully completes a race or an event. In general, finisher refers to someone or something that completes or finishes a task or activity. The result of a finisher is a completed or finished product, task, or event that meets the desired criteria or expectations.